Welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into the world of cloud computing with AWS. In this video, we will go through a very trending topic,
AWS Lambda.
So let's get started.
What is AWS Lambda? AWS Lambda is a serverless compute service that you can configure with a trigger. Once set up, Lambda automatically runs your code in response to that trigger. No need to manage servers or infrastructure. Lambda handles all the underlying compute resources for you. All you need to do is supply your code. It takes care of running and scaling your application with high availability. Here how it works. First, upload your code to AWS Lambda or write it directly in the Lambda code editor. This code is called your Lambda function. Next, configure your function to trigger from other AWS services, HTTP endpoints, in-app activity, or even on a schedule. Lambda only runs your code when it's invoked, using just the compute resources needed. You pay only for the compute time you use. You can invoke Lambda functions directly or set up triggers to respond to HTTP requests or AWS services. Lambda can also read from queues or streams and run on a schedule using Event Bridge. Let's take a few examples. Amazon S3. When an object is created, deleted, or updated in a bucket, Lambda is triggered. Amazon SNS. When a message is published to a topic, Lambda runs if it is subscribed. Amazon API Gateway. You can build APIs, and when they are called, Lambda executes your function. Amazon DynamoDB. When a record is created or modified, Lambda can be triggered. Amazon SQS. Lambda can process messages from a queue, pulling and invoking functions synchronously. So what makes Lambda so powerful? No server management. Just write your code and Lambda runs it. Automatic scaling. Lambda scales your application in response to each trigger. Parallel execution. Your code runs in parallel, processing each event individually. Pay-as-you-go mode. You are billed in milliseconds, only for the time your code runs. Cost effective. When your code isn't running, you don't pay. This makes Lambda ideal for building responsive, budget-friendly, and serverless applications.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials.